The Yamaha VX Series WaveRunners offer an exceptional watercraft experience in a versatile mid-size package that's both easy to own and an absolute joy to ride. With 7 distinct models, each tailored to specific riding styles, the VX Series is perfect for cruising with friends, enjoying a day of tow sports, or embarking on long-range adventures. At the forefront of the series is the VX Limited HO, which is unmatched in its class for performance, technology, and capabilities. The VX Limited models come standard with premium Yamaha audio speakers, engineered for optimal sound on the water. The Limited package is packed with high-value extras, including a single-rider tube holder, tow line, inflator pump, gunnel fenders to protect the watercraft at the dock, a cover to keep your WaveRunner in top condition, a rope bag, glove box organizer, and underhatch storage. Powering the VX Limited HO and VX Cruiser HO models is the formidable 1.9-liter high-output Yamaha Marine engine, the largest displacement motor in a personal watercraft today. This engine delivers acceleration and top speeds that rival supercharged models from other brands, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. The rest of the VX line is propelled by the sporty 1-liter TR1 engine and the more powerful TR1 high-output motor, providing a perfect balance of power and efficiency for an exciting and enjoyable ride. All VX models share an 11-foot hull and are rated to carry 3 persons, making them ideal for family outings and towing tubes and boarders. With ample storage, including a 24.3-gallon compartment in the bow, a sizable 4-gallon watertight glove box, and under-seat storage perfect for dock lines, you can easily stow a day's worth of gear. Most models in the series feature Connext with a bright LCD screen display. This system allows you to customize your ride, monitor all functions, and enable a security mode to prevent unauthorized use. Yamaha's exclusive Ride Dual Throttle controls make low-speed handling around the dock effortless. Simply throttle forward with the right-hand lever and throttle reverse or decelerate with the left-hand lever. Ride provides excellent maneuverability while keeping both hands on the handlebars. Completing the handlebar controls are Cruise Assist, No Wake Mode, and Yamaha's Thrust Directional Enhancer, which acts like a virtual rudder at idle speed. Cruise Assist helps maintain a steady speed during long rides, reducing rider fatigue. No Wake Mode ensures compliance with low speed zones, making it easier to navigate through restricted areas. The Yamaha VX Series WaveRunners offer the perfect combination of performance, technology, and versatility for an active water sports family. To learn more about the VX Series and the entire WaveRunner lineup, visit yamahawaverunners.com.